So anyway, guys, I get to choose which one I want. I want, of course, me being a tall guy, I'm 6'3". I think I'm gonna go for that middle one. It's between the top one and that one. Well, here goes nothing. And so I just took it down off the rock, and here it is. Pretty cool, huh? I got my water in the back in case I get thirsty. There's the oar. That's so cool. Look at the scenery. I just wish there was a little bit of rapids. We'll find that eventually. Got a tree coming ahead. Iceberg! Iceberg ahead. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. I found the rope to get us, pull us in. Gosh, there we go. Okay, get up there. Okay. Cool. That was my first time kayaking. Was on Rock Creek here at Cedar Rock Park. So I thought I did pretty good. You know, I probably kayaked for an hour. It was kind of wild. I was wobbly at first, but then I started cruising down. Of course, that being a lazy river is a little easier, but it's still cool to get the hang of it. You know, the whole art of paddling down a river. It was just a neat experience. I'm soaking wet now, so I'm gonna go get something to eat. I kind of washed off in the bathroom. I had mud all over me. So I didn't tip over. He asked me, did you tip over? I was like, no, I got lucky. I did not. So appreciate y'all joining me, and I will see you soon.